Hello friends, welcome to Super Tech Guru. Dosto friends, today I'm going to unbox a tire inflator. I just got this delivery from Amazon. You can see I just received this delivery today from Amazon Prime, and it is very good product. I'm going to unbox and review this. So as we unbox it, first we get the user manual about how to use, setting, recharge, everything. And it is 20,000 mAh with comes with 20,000 mAh battery. And then after we get a cat C cable just to recharge it, so you can recharge it and carry it anywhere in your car, in your bike, everywhere. Okay, and then we get this amazing product. See, this is automatic digital car air inflator, or bike and air inflator. As we open, this is the product. See, its weight is around 930 gram and 20,000 mAh battery in it. 1 year warranty, 30 days return you can do if you want. Then and what else, its working temperature is 10 degree to 45 degree. And now I tell you what you get with it. It's come with extension. See, here are the extensions. So different car tires you can use here, like fill air using these extensions. Like if you want to fill in any ball, football, then you can use this, then this, all these extensions. Okay, so now I tell you how to use it. Okay, there is button. See, you press it, hold it for few seconds and it will on. And from here you can set the temp, like air capacity, what air you want to fill. See, all this. And here is the like light. So in the night, other person from opposite side can get indication that you are filling the air. And then again, see, yeah, this way. Now to off it, like this, it's now again this, hold it for a few seconds and then start. Yeah, very good. Now switch. Yes, so you can shop it from Amazon. Thank you, please. Bye bye. This was the review of this product and it is good.